Welcome and welcome and welcome to you. Let's take a seat, feel into your chair, feel into your body, sort of give it a little bit of a hello body into your feet, just moving. It's almost like you're sort of putting your skin on or your clothes on for the day, just feeling into them, pushing into the ends of your sit bones maybe. Yeah, the sides of your body, just a little bit of a movement there. Shoulders, one after the other. Hands and fingers as though you could stretch into them and fit into your skin. And then just gently tilting the chin in and lifting the back of the head. Okay, naturally here, there's likely to be a receiving air breath. And on the out breath, just open your mouth and gonna do 2 more of them. Inhaling and a sound out breath. You ready? Use sound just a little bit more here. I'm going to invite you to just hum. Just humming so you can feel the vibration in your throat, maybe even in your mouth. Maybe you have a tune, maybe you just have a tone. And then just letting it come to an end. And we're going to pause and almost pour ourselves in from the top into our seat. If you can imagine pouring yourself into your body to land into your seat. Thank you and welcoming you to be here today.